What is the inverse of squaring a number? If the inverse of adding is to subtract and the inverse of multiplying is to divide, and vice versa, what is the inverse of squaring a number? Well, the inverse of squaring a number is to find the square root of a number. So, if we have 4 squared equal to 16, know that negative 4 squared is also equal to 16. So the inverse of squaring 4, if we do the square root of 16, we're going to get 4. Have you noticed that we didn't write negative 4? Yes, we didn't write negative 4 because using the square root symbol, we are only interested in the positive number. We wouldn't say negative 4. But you would see a different case where we have to use negative 4 when we are solving equations, and you would see why. I'm going to explain that. So we only work with a positive number, even though we know that negative squaring a negative number will also give the number that we could take a square root of to get the positive number. So this is interesting because what it means is when we have something where we have to do negative square root 16, we know that our answer will actually be negative 4. So it's really important for you to note that the square root of the number is only the positive number. We're only interested in that. It's now time for you to pause the video and answer questions 1 to 4.